Okay. Why is the title On the Hope suitable for the article? Kenapa judulnya On the Hope itu sesuai dengan artikel ini?
Because the kangaroo hope is very unusual way for a large animal to move. If you
Repeat,
try
Mbak Fatika. Repeat loudly, loudly.
because the kangaroo hope is very unusual
Unusual.
way for a large animal to move.
Okay.
If you
Balia. Okay. Next, do you have additional comment? Ada tambahan lagi, Mbak?
yes, if you tried hopping up the street in the same way, you'll get very tired and very quickly.
Okay. Mbak Lia Kamilaton, do you have the same idea? Why is the title On the Hope suitable for the article? How about the others? Do you have the same opinion or different opinion? Yeah, you are right, but the answer from Mbak Fatika is correct. In the introduction, what does the writer reveal about first kangaroo? Dalam pendahuluan, apa yang ini penulis ungkapkan tentang kanguru pertama kali? Apa?
It's the habitat of kangaroo.
Habitat, yes, okay. How have the larger kangaroo been helped by farming? Gimana ini kanguru besar bisa membantu pertanian? Gimana caranya? Mbak Lia, please. Mbak Lia Kamilaton, answer. How have the larger kangaroos been helped by farming? Mana Mbak Lia? Halo, Mbak Lia, are you there? Mbak Olivia, please. How have the larger kangaroo been helped by farming? Gimana caranya kanguru besar membantu pertanian? Halo, ini kok pada diam semua? Mbak Olin, Mas Rifki Muslim, coba. Coba teksnya tadi Mbak Olivia. Some of the larger kangaroos, such as 19 kilogram big rat, have been helped by farming. The dams and ports put in by farmers mean that they can live in drier parts of the country. And they love the nice short grass that grazing cattle leave behind. These kangaroos are in no danger of extinction. Itu ya. Terus lagi, question selanjutnya. The next question, I mean. What is marsupials? Marsupials, please. Mbak Widya Lestari. What are marsupials? Kangaroos are marsupials, which means they rear their young in punch, like gulls, wombats in good condition. The females of some kangaroos, for example, the red, are almost always pregnant. When do kangaroos stop breeding? Kapan itu kangaroo stop breeding? Until the rains come and the food supply improves. Ya. Next, ke bawah lagi, Mbak. Ini coba dibaca. Mbak Olin, please. Mbak Olin, please read how to measure your lung capacity. Mbak Olin.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, Mbak.
How to measure your lung capacity. Today, I'm going to tell you a way of measuring the amount of air that your lungs hold. To do this, you will need a bed or laundry tub, a piece of plastic tub, masking tape, a large plastic bottle, a waterproof pen, and a measuring jug, water, and a friend to help you. Firstly, fill the bed or laundry tub to about half full. Next, still masking tape on the side of the plastic bottle and fill it with water. Now, carefully turn the bottle upside down while holding your hand over the opening. Place the bottle underwater in our friend to mark. Now, have the friends push on and the plastic top into the neck, the bottle. Ask your friend to mark on the masking tape the positions, the water in the bottle. Now, have the friends push on an end of plane. I'm sorry, ma'am. Of a plane and of plastic top into the neck of the bottle. Place the other end of the top in your mouth.
Mbak baca tube.
Yes, ma'am.
Tube, itu bacanya tube, bukan tap. Tube.
Tube. Take a deep breath and blow down the tubing. Mark the level of water in the bottle when you stop blowing. Remove the bottle from the tube without letting any more water or leave it. You are now ready to find your lung capacity. Turn the plastic bottle up the right way. Use the measuring jug to fill the bottle back up to the first mark you made. The amount of water that you add is approximately equal to the amount of air in your lungs.
Okay, thank you, Mbak Olin. What is the text type of the text how to measure your lung capacity? Kita answer the question here. Pertanyaannya Mbak ke bawahin. Procedure ya bacanya.
Procedure, ma'am.
Ya, you are right, procedure. Mbak Alivia turunin sedikit ya, Mbak Alivia. What is the purpose of the text procedure? Tujuannya apa procedure text?
To write something step, Mom.
To show some
Yes.
some step that must be followed by certain people, ya. Okay. What does the first paragraph tell about? Paragraf pertama membahas tentang apa? Coba lihat Mbak Livia paragraf pertama. Today I'm going to tell you a way of measuring the amount of air that your lung hold. Ya berarti the way of measuring the amount of air that our lung hold, ya itu membahasnya tentang itu. Next question. Mention technical term in the text. Istilah-istilah khusus dalam ini. Teks tersebut. Laundry tub, plastic tube, masking tape, ya kan? Waterproof pen, itu kan juga. Is it difficult to practice how to measure lung capacity? Susah nggak untuk mengukur kapasitas ini paru-paru kita? Based on the procedure we have read. Susah atau gampang?
It's so difficult, Mom.
Difficult. Okay. Next page, Mbak Olivia. Who wants to read? Mbak Nisa Ulfatun, please. Yang lain kok nggak pada join, kenapa ya? Mbak Nisa Ulfatun, please read ya. Why do people die if they stop breathing? Mbak Lia Kamilatun again, please. Mbak siapa tadi, Nisa? There is no voice of Mbak Nisa. Mbak Lia, please. Why
Yes,
do
ma'am.
people die if they stop breathing?
What, ma'am?
Please read the text. We will discuss together. Why
Okay.
do people die if they stop breathing?
Why do people die if they stop breathing? In order to stay alive, human beings need a constant supply of oxygen, a gas found in the air, to all parts of the body. They also need to rid their bodies of a waste gas called carbon dioxide, which would otherwise poison them. These two gases are carried around the body in the blood. Veins
In the
carry
blood.
the blood. Veins carry blood to the heart and arteries carry blood away from the heart. Both veins and arteries divide into millions of tiny capillary blood vessels. Gases can move between the blood in the capillaries and tiny cells which make up the human body. When a human being breathes in, air goes into the lungs, which are like two spongy bags filled with millions of air sacs. Oxygen from the air passes through the sacs into the capillary blood vessels. The blood then carries the oxygen through a vein to the heart. The heart pumps this oxygen-carrying blood around the whole body through arteries which divide into capillaries to reach the body cells. Oxygen passes from the blood to the cells, and carbon dioxide, the waste gas, passes from the cells into the blood. Veins take this waste, carrying blood back to the heart, which pumps it back to the lungs. The carbon dioxide passes into the air sacs. When the human being breathes out, the carbon dioxide is pushed back into the air. Breathing in and out is therefore essential because it ensures that life-giving oxygen is constantly replaced and personal carbon dioxide export.
Okay, what is the text type here? Explanation, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pertanyaannya, please the question. Does the text give reason? Apakah teks ini ada alasannya? Tadi pertanyaannya apa? Why do people dead if they stop breathing? Alasannya kenapa kalau nggak menghirup oksigen meninggal itu? Gimana? Kenapa alasannya?
Karena nggak ada pasokan oksigen yang masuk ke dalam tubuh.
Yeah, you're right. What was gas do we rid of? Gas yang harus dibuang apa?
Carbon dioxide.
Yeah. What happens when humans breathe out? Please. What happens when human breathe out?
When the human breathes out, the carbon dioxide is pushed back into the air.
What is the synonym of expel in the last paragraph? Expel. Throw out. Drum out. Ya, expel sinonimnya. What is the synonym of essential in paragraph 5? Essential, important, crucial, bisa. Ya kan? Okay, I think that's all today. We will continue to the next meeting. Okay, we will continue to the next meeting. Thursday, next meeting at the same time based on your own class schedule. Okay, see you and have a nice day.
Yes, ma'am. See you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
You're
ma'am.
welcome. I will leave the Zoom meeting, okay? Thank
Okay,
you.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.